Hello everyone, this is Dar Junaid. I hope you are all well. Welcome to Gleaming Sitar Education. Desh is the national river of India. Option B, Ganga is the correct answer. Desh is the national vegetable of India. Option A is correct answer. Desh is the national animal of India. Option C is correct answer. Desh is the national flower of India. Option B, lotus is the correct answer. The national song was sung for the first time in. Option D, 180-96. What is the national heritage animal of India? Option A, elephant. Desh is the national calendar of India. Option B, Saka calendar. Desh is the national anthem of India. Correct option is C, Jana Gana Mana. Desh is the national bird of India. Option D, peacock. Desh is the national aquatic animal of India. Option A, Gangetic dolphin. What is the national tree of India? Option D, banyan tree. Which of the following is the national fruit of India? Option C, mango. The Indian national song was written by. Option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National flag of India was designed by. Option C, Pingali Venkaya. Which of the following are the national festivals of India? Option D, all of them. The Indian national anthem was sung for the first time in option A, 1911. The chakra at the center of the national flag has option D, 24 spokes. Saffron is the national flag of India means option B, courage and sacrifice. Normally, Indian national anthem is not played for the option A, Prime Minister. Dash is the national support of India. Option B, hockey. आई होप गाइस ये वीडियो आप सबको अच्छा लगा। वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलिएगा ताकि आपको हमारी नई आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहले पहुंच जाए। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। अंटिल देन, गुड बाय।